On MWC 2018, Wiko has renewed its smartphone lineup. Among the most interesting devices, there's definitely the View 2 and the View 2 Pro, both of which are kind of inspired by the Essential phone or the new iPhone X. We tried the devices. Stay tuned for our first impressions. Last year, the manufacturer, who was known for its cheap smartphones, wanted to enter a higher value market by introducing the WIM. A year later, it's clear that the manufacturer has decided to revise its plans a little. In 2017, the View was the first Wiko smartphone with an 18:9 screen. In 2018, the company goes one step further. With its View 2 and View 2 Pro, Wiko has now reached 19:9 and the screen covers more than 80% of the surface. With its 6-inch screens marked by the notch in the middle, the resemblance to the Essential phone or Apple's iPhone X cannot be overlooked. The 16-megapixel front camera with f2 aperture and the various sensors, for example for ambient light, are located in the middle of the notch. While the design of metal and glass is absolutely high-end, the technical specifications of the new Wiko View 2 and View 2 Pro are rather modest. Under the hood, the View 2 features a Snapdragon 435 with 3GB of RAM and 32GB memory, as well as a 13-megapixel camera with f2 aperture. With a Snapdragon 450, the big brother View 2 Pro has a somewhat more powerful SoC, and with 4 or 64GB it also brings more memory to the table. Another new feature is the dual camera with Sony's Exmor IMX499, autofocus with face detection, LED flash and f1.75 lenses. Wiko was not only inspired by Apple in its design. There may not be any emojis, but the manufacturer offers a face detection system for unlocking. A fingerprint reader is also on board. Finally, let's talk prices and availability. The View 2 Pro lands in stores in May at a price of €299. The View 2 starts already in the beginning of April for €199. With the latest Duo, Wiko has definitely made the right decision, as the high-end market is just insanely competitive and those two devices are pretty promising. We're just hoping that they manage to sort out the problems with the software and the camera from the previous generation. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, activate the little bell icon for notifications, and make sure to check by AndroidPIT.com for more news about smartphones, reviews, and everything around MWC 2018. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.